food, y'all. Like, I love food, but one day I woke up disgusted with myself. And I got a lot of confidence.
I hear me.
It's the one and only Hugh up next. How y'all living? Y'all good? Y'all straight? I'm great. Hey man, today I'm gonna show y'all my little outside workout routine. I'm gonna give y'all a few of my workout routines. I do still like lift and everything. I did like biceps and all this, so I ain't gonna give y'all that and I be, working on my chest. I don't know if I'm gonna give y'all all that today, but I'll give y'all a few of my workout routines that I do outside during this current, situation. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, smash the notification bell. Y'all see I'm getting fit, I'm getting lean. I'm gonna show y'all how the way I do my workout routine in the next scene. Oh yeah, at the end of the video, I'm gonna talk to y'all. We're gonna have a little chat about purpose and all that. Alright. I usually do this in the inside. I do my ab workout and also my push-ups in the inside. I do 100 push-ups a day. I'm gonna give y'all a few on right now. Alright. Ab workout now. Some I forgot what they call, like it's like some crunches, just pushing your leg up, back. I get like some 6 inches, and I get like 6 inches with paddle kicks. Hey, lady, what's on those? I do 10 of these, and I hold my legs out for 10 seconds. I do 50 of these. I do 4 sets. So I do 40 of the crunches, 40 of the, 10 seconds of the 6 inches, and I do 50 paddle kicks straight. Okay, y'all, I do a light jog back and forth 10 times. So run that 10 times, run back. It's a light jog. I do 3 sets of 100 calf raises right here. We're not gonna do that now. All of these workouts I'm basically showing you, I do them tomorrow. Today I just did my chest, my biceps and all that, and my abs in the house. I'm gonna show y'all what I do outside. These are my calf raises. Make sure you be at the edge of the step or whatever you on, whatever edge you on, just bounce. Alright, y'all, also be boxing and all that. I be hitting the shed, but we currently got a car in the way. So I'm gonna do some light little shadow boxing. Wait. Ooh, almost slipped. Ooh, almost slipped there. Yeah, I didn't want to do too much with the boxing right then. It was slippery right there. I didn't want to do too much because it rained the other day. No, it rained today. And I didn't want to just fall. All right, next, I tried to test my stamina and endurance. So you got me good. All right, so I run up this hill right here in front of our house. Get the hill. And then next, I run up those. We got some stairs in front of the house. I run up those. Then I grab the dumbbells, push them in the air, come down, sit them down, run down the hill, do 10 jumper jacks, and then explode back. We don't get that next. I don't know if I mentioned that. I do that 5 times. They'll be really killing me. How you start. All right, next, I do some tricep dips. I get my triceps right. They're kind of weak. I think I do 4 sets of 15. 4 sets of 15. So I did 1, 4. If I feel like I got some more than tank, I bid it up to 4 sets of 20. All right, y'all. Now I take the dumbbell, hold it across my head. I run back and forth 3 times. Like this. It's a good test of endurance. It makes you real tired, but we trying to get fit over here. All right, now I walk up and down the steps, 2 sets of 5. I just increased it to 2 sets because I be tired. Well, I got some more stamina now. Let me show y'all what I do. I make sure I keep it weighted. So I had 2 dumbbells in my hand. I can't let you mess with my focus. The hate I can't make it my focus. The plate is the primary focus. Focus. And by that time, I'll be extra tired, y'all. So I do a little burnout of some calf raises weighted. I'm gonna show y'all that now. Get the calf raise. I just do them until my calves are exploded. Then I take myself in the house. I'm making me a decent breakfast because regardless of me working out, I still gotta eat clean so everything can fit out right. Remember, working out is 80% diet, 20% working out. Recording. Alright, y'all, man. Okay, this after the workout. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, y'all, make sure before you work out and during your workout, make sure you drink warm water. Then after the workout, you drink cold water. Because the warm water gonna keep your body warmed up. Then after you finish, you drink cold water, cool it down. I think they said it prevents cramps too. But oh yeah, man. As y'all can see, I've been hard at work for the workout. I also got gallons of water. I got 1 more left. Well, I got 1 in the fridge and 1 out. I gotta get some more. Oh yeah, and I also drink teas too. I don't know if y'all can see that pucker tea. And I got this organic everyday detox. This one is really helping my skin a lot. This one is keeping me regular a little bit, but I was already regular, so I didn't really need help with the bathroom. This one is okay. I'm gonna get a different type of tea next time with the detox. But yeah, man, I'm just trying to, health is wealth. I can't work with my purpose. I can't strive to be this, this leader and everything if I'm not looking the part. Oh yeah, this also got some celery with some light ranch after the workout. I'm just trying to stay healthy. We gotta eat clean too, y'all. Y'all, yeah, I love food, y'all. Like, I love food, but one day I woke up disgusted with myself. And I got a lot of confidence. Like, my confidence is up to here. So I was like, man, I'm just fat. Like, no. Because if you see from my first videos, my first vlog, y'all see I was working out in shape. Even then I was gaining a little weight, but I was still, working myself back, back to regular, back to shape. I was really in good shape back then. But now I was like, man, I'm fat. Like, this something gotta give, y'all. Something gotta give. Man, I been eating these celeries like chips, man. Telling y'all, man. But as much as I want to eat like Wendy's and have like a big stack of wings with some ranch, as much as I want it every day, I want to live too. Like, I don't want to wake up and have diabetes or have all these fats when I'm 40, clogs to my arteries, and like I'm just about to have a heart attack. Like, no, health is wealth. Like, and health builds wealth. The healthier you are, your mind can work better. And also, I've been reading the Bible lately. Make sure y'all in the Bible, y'all. Make sure y'all in that book, cause you got a lot of, you got all the truths to the world in there. Can nobody else say it is not no debate. I'm not going back and forth. I don't care what you believe in. I don't like read the Bible, man. The Holy Bible. Yeah, just been trying to stay in the word and all that. Been watching motivational videos. I was gonna do a vlog, but I was like, nah. It might as well be going back and forth to work as well. I work right here. I work in the house, you know, taking calls for Princess Cruises, setting up cruises and, you know, just doing customer service. Yeah, man, you know, trying to stay on my purpose. Y'all see I've been uploading every day. I'm trying to keep my mind focused, trying to stay sharp as possible. That's why I've been reading the Bible, because you still gotta read. I really don't like reading a lot of things, you know, but I like reading the Bible though. So I make sure I read before I go to bed. I didn't do it last night, I don't remember. But I've been consistently reading like three chapters a night. I'm in Proverbs right now. I think I'm in Proverbs 21 or 22 right now at the moment. You know, in Proverbs, it has a lot of you know, gems in Proverbs. You know, a lot of good advice. So I advise y'all to read that. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, I also got my apple cider vinegar pills. I don't know if y'all can see that. You know, before I eat, I ain't taking this time because I'm just eating celery. But before I eat a big meal or something, I take this and then start eating. I swallow this and all that. I'm kind of running short on groceries now, so I got to go back to Kroger. But yeah, I've been eating skinless chicken a lot, eating a lot of salads. You know, my salads don't really consist of nothing, just be really just, you know, skinless chicken, either skinless chicken strips or chicken bites, where they cut them up and dice them with you know, some romaine lettuce, some spinach, and celery for the most part. Yeah, you know, and the more healthier you are, I see that, like, it really helps my upload. It keeps me energized. Even though today is like one of my tired days, because most of the time, once or twice out the week, I just, you know, I soak up so much in a day. Once or twice in a week, I just crash. Like today, I just crashed, y'all. Like, I was watching the video on my bed, and I just crashed for like an hour. I was just out like a light. But you know, they gotta have it though. That's how you know you're working hard, when you just push yourself to the limit and you just I know you just fall asleep. Also, I've been trying to, y'all see my face been clearing up. I've been taking care of my skin more. You know, girls really been ahead of the game, you know, with the teas and everything, and with natural stuff. You know, I've been doing like the mixture of brown sugar with the oil and what else is in it? The lemonade, you know, to clean my face and everything. I also use cinnamon and you know, some raw honey, mixed it up. That helps with dryness. So yeah, I'm just giving y'all a few gems in this video. If you made it to this point, I appreciate you. These are one of the videos that y'all really should watch. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next scene.
I hear him. Yeah.